Dear Liza. Now, this song is very repetitive. If you look at this section here, this entire section, it's all the same really. Same notes, alright, same notes, same rhythm, everything. All the same. Just some slight differences. So here, at the end of the second line, we have the staccato, followed by the minim. So that's an A note and a G note. And at the end of the fourth line, we have a staccato, followed by another staccato, A and a G. So same notes, A and G, A and G. But here we have a minim and we have a staccato, followed by a rest, of course. Otherwise, everything is the same. Slight difference here. I mean, actually, the same thing here. These two. And then over here, the same thing. Alright? So very, very similar. Just one major observation is at the beginning. So this bar is incomplete. It's supposed to be 3 beats inside the bar, and there's only one beat here. Okay, so this is called an anacrusis. Okay, an anacrusis. So you have an incomplete bar. Some people call it a pickup bar, or in terms of the note, a pickup note. All right. So the first bar of the song, the first official bar, is actually this bar. So this bar is like an introductory bar, a pickup note. So these are some of the terms you will hear. But officially it's called an anacrusis. So the first beat, so you have one beat here, and the remaining 2 beats is placed at the end. So this bar only has 2 beats. So 2 beats at the end here, plus the 1 beat here, makes the 3 beats that you're supposed to have in each bar. Okay. Now, when you're counting, when you're going to start the song and you're counting your beats to start, you're not going to go 1, 2, 3 and then play the first beat here. You have to count the 2 imaginary beats that are missing. So you're going to go 1, 2, 3. You start playing on the 3rd beat. So this is the 3rd beat here. So 1, 2, 3, and 1. So you can follow the numbers. Or you say 1, 2, T, T, ta. Okay? At the end of the song, you do the reverse. So you say 1, 2, and then you stop. You don't say 3. Because the 3rd beat was played at the beginning. Alright, so it's kind of in reverse. 1, 2, and that's the 3rd beat here. So it's kind of in reverse. Alright, so you say 1, 2, 3. You start to play. Let's see, there's another example. I think there's one more example in the book. Right here. So we're supposed to have 4 beats in each bar, but there's only 1 beat at the beginning here, which means there are 3 beats missing. The 3 beats are at the end. So you must complete it. So at the end you have the 3 beats here. Okay? But when you're starting the song, you're gonna go 1, 2, 3, bam, you start to blow on the 4th beat. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. 1, 2, 3, ta, right, and you continue. Okay? So that's something to look at. And you're going to start seeing more of this as we get more advanced. Alright, so that's it. The incomplete bar. Again, most musicians call it a pickup note, a pickup bar, but the official term is an anacrusis. Alright, so let's go through the notes first. So we have G, A, B, D, E, G, D, then again E, G, D, then again E, G. Like I said, it's very repetitive. And the same thing continues. So I'm not going to go through the entire song. Slight difference here. So after E, G, don't forget the slur, of course. After E, G, you have A, staccato, and then G for 2 beats. At the bottom, E, G, A, staccato, and then G, staccato, then a rest. Okay. Same thing here, and on the third and fourth lines at the beginning you have A's. Okay. Again, everything else is still the same. B, D, D, E, G, D, E, G, D is the same thing. Okay. Let's go for the rhythm. Let's go for the rhythm. So 3 beats a bar. Again, we're going to start off with the 2 missing beats, and then we start here. 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, or 1 rest. Okay. Let's go for the rhythm syllables. 1, 2. T, T, ta, 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 T, T, ta, 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 tui, ta, 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 rest. Okay, very, very repetitive. Don't forget the slurs and also the staccatos. Okay, so the slur between notes E and G, and it's the same thing throughout the song. So remember, you just move your hands or move your fingers and just keep blowing. For the staccato here, it's G. Okay, and here, staccato. All right. So just take your time, go for your notes, go for your rhythm, and just remember how you start. 1, 2, then you start. All right, let's put it together. 1, 2. Dear Liza,